everyone, this is Zuri and welcome to my channel. This is ZK Art Express. On this channel, I love to show you all how to draw simple subject matters that help you to connect to your inner child, or not your, well, your inner child or inner artist. In today's art lesson, I'm going to be showing you all how to draw a turtle in a grassland, on a farm, in a forest. I don't know. He can be wherever you guys want him to be, right? But he's going to be somewhere in those type places, okay? So anyway, I'm going to be showing you all, like I said, how to not only draw that today, but also how to color that too. So I'm very excited. I know you all is going to be as well. So let's get to drawing and let's get into supplies I'm going to be using too. All right, everyone, so let's get into the drawing part of this video. So first thing first, like I always say in every video, we're going to start off putting in our grid. We're going to split the like I said, paper into half, vertically, horizontally, and then we're also going to split them into half as well, and we're going to make 16 boxes. All right, now we got our 16 boxes in. So the next step is going to be go ahead and drawing in our mountain. We're going to put our mountain in first. You know what? No. We're going to put in our trees first. So let's start off with the trees. Okay, now we have put in our trees. The next step is going to be putting in the mountains. Okay. So now let's put in our landscape area. Now we finna put in just like some other grassy type areas and stuff. Right now, everyone, now let's go ahead and put in our sun, our clouds, and the star of the show, Mr. Turtle himself. Okay everyone, so we done got pretty much all the basics down. Now we're gonna go in and add in some little just details to bring everything out. Everyone, so now we done put in Mr. Turtle, gave him a little details, gave some of the trees and bushes a little bit of detail. Some of that I already kind of put in when I was drawing it the first sketch, but now you can see he is drawn in and he's ready to be painted, honey. All right y'all, so see you in the next part of the video. Let's start the color. everybody, so we have come to the end of today's video. Here is the final result of the drawing that we did today. I hope you all enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed creating it. As always, guys, stay safe, be creative, comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Ta-ta.